The Verderair Hi-Clean is an air diaphragm pump designed for hygienic processes. This offers versatility and compliance. Many of our customers are in the food and pharma industries, and they tell us time and time again, it's got to be quick and it's got to be clean. The Hi-Clean really takes this to heart. The pump has been designed with a reduced number of clamps, which makes it quick to disassemble. The unit is constructed with food-grade materials and is C.I.P compatible. In addition, the Hi-Clean offers extra security with optional leak detection and higher grade surfaces, which meet even the most stringent pharmaceutical demands. To complete the range, there are port configurations to accommodate larger solids. There is also a range of accessories to ensure the best use of air and the safe handling of your fluid. Thank you for watching Verder in 60 seconds. I'm Lee White, and I'll see you on the next video.